Hello, this is Willie and Anna Garcia with another educational video. Today we're bringing you a video in regards to renting versus buying.
That's right, the disadvantages of paying rent. For one, you are throwing your money away.
You're throwing your money away.
What do I mean by that? Well, once it's gone, it's your landlord is the only one who benefits here. Two, you will be paying off your landlord's mortgage when it could be yours.
Absolutely.
And three, you have no deductions with renting. Only your landlord has this deduction every single year on his mortgage. Four, there is no freedom in changing your living space. You can't add a patio, you can't add a fence, or knock out a wall.
Absolutely. So those are the disadvantages. Here are some of the advantages of owning your own home. Number one is you're no longer paying somebody else's mortgage. And now all the payments are going towards paying off your own home. Let's say, for example, your mortgage is $1,800 a month. If you were to multiply $1,800 times 5, that's a total of $108,000 that you would have been paying towards your own home, not your landlord's home.
That's right.
And also now you'll have a write-off every year. So all the interest that you pay on your mortgage, you'll be able to write it off every single year. And guess what? Uncle Sam will be sending you a big fat check at the end of the year. And we all like big checks, right?
Love big checks.
Yes.
You also do not have future stability. Why? Because your rent will go up every single year, year after year after year. And lastly, your landlord could sell their home at any given time and you are forced to move again. Then you have to go look for another place and be unprepared to pay for your first month and your last month's rent. Not to mention a moving truck, and all this takes money that you simply do not get back when you rent.
So once again, these were some disadvantages of renting a home, and here are some more advantages. Think of your home as being a bank where every month you're depositing money into that home. You see, homes on an average in California appreciate about 5%. So let's say you purchased a $500,000 home and you multiply that times 5%, that would give you $25,000 every year in appreciation. Now multiply that times 5 years, that's $125,000 that your home would have appreciated. So that $500,000 home you bought would be worth $625,000 in 5 years. Now that's a great reason to own your own home. And lastly, don't forget that interest rates keep going up. So the higher the interest rate, the more your payment. So don't slow down. If you're thinking of buying, buy now.
That's right.
So that you can save and not have such a huge payment. We'll talk to you guys soon.
Talk to you soon.